Pell City homeowners know the value of natural light, scenic views, and comfortable living spaces. With its beautiful lakeside neighborhoods, peaceful streets, and charming southern architecture, it's no surprise that more residents are upgrading their homes with picture windows. Large, fixed windows designed to bring in sunshine and showcase the outdoors. Picture windows are becoming one of the most popular home improvements in Pell City, and for good reason. They combine elegance, energy efficiency, and functionality in one beautiful package. Here's why so many local homeowners are making the switch. Unmatched natural light and bright interiors. One of the biggest reasons Pell City homeowners love picture windows is their ability to flood interiors with natural light. These windows are designed with large, unobstructed panes of glass that let in more sunshine than traditional window styles. Whether you're overlooking Logan Martin Lake or your own backyard garden, picture windows open up your view and make every room feel brighter and more inviting. Natural light also creates the illusion of more space, making smaller rooms appear larger and more open. In addition to boosting mood and comfort, sunlight can also help reduce energy use during the day, since you'll rely less on artificial lighting. Energy efficiency designed for Alabama weather. Living in Alabama means experiencing warm, humid summers and cool winters. Modern picture windows are designed to handle these seasonal changes while keeping your home comfortable year-round. High-quality picture windows feature low E glass coatings, multiple panes, and gas-filled insulation to prevent heat transfer. Because these windows don't open or close, they also have fewer air leaks, making them one of the most energy-efficient window types available. The result? A home that stays cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and costs less to heat and cool, without compromising on beauty or light. Expansive views that connect you to the outdoors. Pell City is known for its natural beauty, from the rolling hills to the stunning lakefront scenery. Picture windows let homeowners enjoy those views year-round. With their wide glass panels and minimal framing, these windows act like a living portrait of your surroundings. You can relax in your living room, kitchen, or bedroom while taking in sunrises, sunsets, and serene outdoor vistas from the comfort of your home. It's an effortless way to stay connected to nature while enjoying the protection and comfort of being indoors. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Because picture windows don't have moving parts, they require less maintenance than other window types. There are no hinges, cranks, or tracks to clean or repair, just smooth, sturdy glass that can be easily wiped clean. Manufacturers now use materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum-clad frames, which resist warping, peeling, and corrosion, ideal for Alabama's humid climate. That means your picture windows will look great and perform well for decades, without demanding constant upkeep. Improved home value and curb appeal. Installing picture windows is more than just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's beauty and value. Their modern, streamlined design enhances both the interior and exterior appearance of your property. Large, elegant windows make your home look more open, luxurious, and architecturally refined, which can be especially appealing to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell, picture windows give your home that wow factor every homeowner loves. Custom designs to fit every home style. Every Pell City home has its own personality, from classic southern cottages to modern lakefront houses. Picture windows can be custom built to complement your home's unique architecture. You can choose from a variety of shapes, sizes, and frame finishes to match your style. Many homeowners pair picture windows with casement, slider, or awning windows for a combination of light, airflow, and functionality. Whether you want a dramatic floor-to-ceiling design or a simple accent window that brightens a hallway, customization options ensure a perfect fit for your space. Professional installation makes all the difference to get the most out of your new windows. Professional installation is key. Experienced local installers understand Pell City's climate, building codes, and architectural trends, ensuring your picture windows are sealed properly and perform efficiently. A professional installation guarantees long-lasting comfort, clear views, and energy savings for years to come. Bright, beautiful, and built for Pell City living for homeowners who want to enhance their view, brighten their space, and improve energy efficiency, Picture Windows are the perfect solution. They combine timeless beauty with modern performance, ideal for the warm, welcoming lifestyle that defines Pell City. With professional installation and thoughtful design, your Picture Windows will not only transform your home's appearance but also improve how you experience it every day.